Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video on business analytics related concepts. So in this video, we are going to discuss that what are the job profiles for a fresher vis-a-vis an experienced professional in the world of business analytics. So when it comes to the fresher, usually the freshers will start with business analyst job profile or data visualization job profile. Essentially, the idea of this profile is to get the basic understanding that is required to perform the job of data analysis, reporting, creating infographics, basic level of infographics using Tableau, Power BI. So if you are getting trained on Tableau and Power BI, then there is immediate absorption for that fresher as the data visualization expert. And at the same time, if you have got basic data analysis skill, if you are able to identify the problem statement, collect the data, perform basic analysis and generate the reports, then you will also get absorbed as business analyst. But you don't want to stick on these two profiles for a very long period of time. So once you complete 2 to 3 years of your experience in these profile as business analyst or data visualization expert, you want to mature and graduate towards higher dimensions, which are on the lines of machine learning scientist, data scientist, and also the roles of consultant. So the goal of a business analyst as a fresher is to move slowly and gradually towards the higher dimension of working as principal consultant. So you will get absorbed as a kind of an associate consultant in the beginning, and then slowly and gradually you will become consultant, senior consultant, and one day you will become the principal consultant and maybe the business partner. So what essentially differentiates between a fresher vis-a-vis the experienced guy in business analytics is the capability to perform variety of the tasks, starting from problem identification to collection of the data, performing data analysis, using various kinds of tools and techniques which are in demand into the market, and then performing the data analysis to recommend. So those recommendations cannot be on the basis of whims and fancy. Those recommendations have to be on the basis of the data analysis that you have performed. So there is no opinion, judgment, biasness allowed in the domain of business analytics, and this takes time. So as you graduate in your learning curve on the business analytics and become more proficient and professional with a better work experience, you will realize that you are able to understand a problem and give the recommendation to solve that problem in a data-driven approach. And that's where the consulting mindset also comes into the picture. So you must start with the 2-3 years of work ex as a fresher in the beginning. Hardly 4 to 5% of the people readily get absorbed as a consultant after completing their MBA or PGDM, while majority of 95% people venture into business analyst and data visualization kind of job roles. But the goal must be over a period of 5-10 years, you want to become consultant, principal consultant, business partner, so that you can help the decision maker in the organization and public policy building who will get influenced because of the reports that you will generate through the data-driven approach. So this is all about the difference between the fresher and experienced professional into the world of business analytics. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and we look forward to have you with us at PIBM Pune for various courses on business analytics that are offered by Department of Business Analytics.